Hello everybody, this is Jen and I am here with my ASC design team package and my ASC Black Friday shopping. I'll break them up for you so you know what came from what until we run out, or until Crystal runs out. You get a free 2023 monthly planner with every order over $100, I think it is. And of course the pen, which is on every order. And let's get into my design team package. So I got this Alice Zuri mold, and I bought it mostly for the individual items. Like, you have keyholes and keys and some really ornate, like, well, keyholes, plus some bottles. So I thought those would be fun to use in my miniatures or to decorate my miniatures. I'm not sure what this one is. I'm going to have to... It looks... Oh, it's a doorknob. Okay, it's just a doorknob, but it's offset. And then, of course, you have Alice here, which will be fun to use in a background. But just wait till I get to my Black Friday thing, because you guys are going to, like, wow, dig this. So there's that. I also got... I always get different stuff in my design team packages. Okay, I also got another pen because I got 2 packages, ordered 2 different times. I got the new calendar Graphic 45 collection, which is called Flower Market, which I know a lot of people will be really into this because of the florals. It's not really my thing, but I can't pass up a good calendar collection from Graphic 45. So there's the 8x8, the 12x12. I'm not going to do a flip through of it, but if you want me to, just leave a comment down below and I will do so. And then I got the solids and patterns because you just got to have something to break up the everyday, not the everyday. You have to have something to break up the patterns. Okay, so there is the paper collection I got. I also got this rice paper. It's an A4 rice paper, so the size of this is 11 by 8-ish. And it is, I'm not sure what it's called. It's called washi paper. So cool. But I like the blackbird, so I got him. And then I got the new, most of the new Lavinia stamps. I got the carriage, the oak leaves, which Rebecca Tate from the design team did some amazing things with these oak leaves. She made like a wreath. It was great. Head on over to the Facebook group and check that out. I don't know what these are. These are cedar. Everly, she's a medium size fairy. Love these little potion bottles. Wand cleaner, wing oil, flying potion, glow worms, and fairy dust. I got the ravens. The stamp that's called Winter Spice. It's just some words, but I love these for the backgrounds. And then this cute little street sign that says which way to go. We have one of the hares, which is Lupin, the silhouette of Lupin. And I did not get the 2 that weren't silhouette, so maybe later, but... And then Logan, the silhouette. And then I thought these little guys were super cute. They'd be fun to use in like a scene. And that's just called lamps. And these guys. I love these little ones. They're so versatile. So that one's called Flower Collection. So that was my design team package. Now be sure you sign up for the Facebook group so that you don't miss any sales, because there are sales often. This year's Black Friday sale was 20% off, so you don't want to miss that. Again, I got another calendar. And then check out these Zuri molds. I got all molds. I didn't get anything else. So this is the Off With Their Heads. It looks like that. And it's the Queen from Alice in Wonderland. And I want to use it in like a diorama for the background that has the card people painting the roses. That's my idea for that. I got the door knocker, which is a dragon. So you knew I was eventually going to get it, but I thought I could put this on my boxes. So I have a lot of wooden boxes, and I just thought this would be like a neat way to open it up. So there's that. I got the ornate gate, which is just, I don't even know how to explain that. I got the carriage that I haven't used yet, but this gate is awesome. There's so much detail in there. I hope I'm creative enough to figure out a really cool way to use that. I got the grungy frames for picture frames, of course. Picture frames, like little, they look like address label holders. And yeah, that one almost looks like a door. There's some little latches and sprockets and gears and stuff. So that was going to be fun. And then check this guy out. I had no idea, you guys. Look at this Alice mold. I'm going to take it out of the package. This mold is 12.5 by like 13.5. It's huge. So this one will be, it will be awesome to use, and I'm thinking like again on like a box front or something. But yeah, so there's everything. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal purchase. Get your molds, get your paper, get all the stuff that you need, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.